Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to turn off feed receipts on Instagram. And in order for us to do that, what we have to do is to launch our Instagram application. Then we're going to tap on our DMs, but we're going to check on where we have been mentioned, which is this one: review who can mention you so your account works the way you want. We're going to tap on that. And if we allow mentions from everyone who is following us and still not following us will be able to mention us. If we put the allow at mentions from people we follow, only the people who follow us and we follow them that are going to be able to mention us. And if we leave it at no one will be able to mention us. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.